early June, it's a good time to take care of your vegetables. If you planted any greens earlier in the spring, you'll want to go ahead and harvest those and take them inside and enjoy your veggies. You also want to keep your eyes out for the imported cabbage moth. You'll see the fluttering butterflies all over. Also, early June's a good time to plant warm season vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Here are some things to keep in mind. Use some lime for the soil to improve the pH and to provide the mineral calcium. Add a balanced fertilizer as well. Mix that into the soil as best you can. Choose quality plants. When you find them at the nursery, look at the roots to make sure that they're not circling around the pot. When you plant your tomatoes, for example, you can go nice and deep, all the way up to the top of the leaves. Then you'll want to make sure to water your plants in. Think about using a soluble fertilizer like this fish emulsion here. And then every week, once or twice at least, you'll want to give your plants plenty of water to keep them well nourished. Enjoy your veggies.
It's June and a very important time of year to make sure you're watering your perennial plants, especially your fruit trays. These guys are going to want somewhere between 5 and 20 gallons of water a week, and a really easy way to make sure you give it the water that it needs is by making a mulch donut around the base of your fruit tray, and then fill a 5-gallon bucket of water, pour it into that donut, and let it slowly sink in, and that way you know you've given your trees that 5 gallons or more of water. So do this once a week during the growing season and enjoy all of that wonderful, delicious fruit.